Origin's CheckMateRT, or real-time solution, takes multiple metrology and engineering technologies and wraps them up into a seamless system that flows hand in hand with the Renishaw Equator comparator. An example of this is Origin's gauge simulation fit technology, which runs in real time with the Equator comparator, giving the ability to analyze the complex GD&T of multiple datum reference frames, including all bonus tolerance conditions that are typically impossible with most CMMs. At last, a solution where the CMM and gauge agree in real time. Here we will take a look at an equator gauging 3 parts, while CheckMateRT seamlessly performs. In this video, CheckMateRT will produce both standard CMM data versus the MMC results of a gauge simulation fit, although the latter is all that would normally be used in a typical production setup. Program startup screen. At the top of this window is a selection of mastering on the left or measuring on the right. This program has already been mastered, so by default, the measuring selection is highlighted and all the operator has to do is hit the green start button at the bottom. CheckMate displays the production info box. The operator enters the required information such as employee clock number and the type of sample run. The system automatically fills in the fields at the top for the part number, op number, and engineering level info. The operator enters the number of parts he is about to check, and then optionally, the operator can enter specific details for each nest or station of the holding gauge. This information will all be carried through into the final inspection report. Once the operator has finished entering the details, he hits the next button and the inspection program will begin. The inspection program in this video measures the top 2 holes and then the cutout profile in the center. Notice the top 2 holes may earn bonus tolerance based on their size. The datum features are A, the top plane of the part, B is the circle in the lower right hand corner, and C is the width of the slot in the lower left. As you can see from the callouts, these inspection features are simultaneously referenced back to A, B, and C, where B and C have MMC applied and may also earn bonus tolerance from their respective sizes. The status of the entire run is presented in a pass or fail condition. The user is also presented with the status of each part within the run, in addition to the number of features that were out of tolerance. The operator can click on the Details button to get a list of all the features that were out of tolerance. As you can see, as we scroll down, all 3 parts have features that are out of tolerance, and therefore fail. The operator can click OK when ready to proceed. Then CheckMateRT automatically produces a standard text report that shows the specifics of all three samples. At the top, it states that the report is as measured. The samples are highlighted in yellow, and you can see that part number 1 had a diameter that was out of tolerance at the top. Scrolling down, there is also a profile that's out of tolerance. We get to sample number 2, and it has the same diameter that's out of tolerance, but has some more profiles that are out. As we scroll down to sample number 3, we can see the same diameter is out of tolerance, and significantly more profile locations are out of tolerance. We definitely have profile problems, in addition to one hole diameter being oversized in all three parts. Again, this report is set to as measured. The features are earning bonus from themselves only, but not earning bonus from the datum reference frame A, B, and C. If this report was set to gauge simulation fit, CheckMateRT would report the bonus tolerancing earned from the features MMC and from the datum reference frame MMC simultaneously. When the measurement process finishes, the operator is presented with a status box information. The status of the entire run is presented in a pass or fail condition. The operator can see the status of each part, in addition to the number of features that were out of tolerance. Clicking on the Details button expands to get a list of all the features that were out of tolerance. As you can see, the first two samples have a problem with the same hole. Sample 3 has multiple features with out of tolerance conditions. The operator clicks OK, and CheckMateRT then automatically produces a standard text report of all three samples. At the top, it states that the report is using GSF, or Gauge Simulation Fit. As you can see, part number 1 has a diameter that is out of tolerance. But that is all. There are no problems with any of the positions or profiles. The sample numbers are highlighted in yellow. Sample number 2 is the same. That oversized diameter is as out, but again, there are no problems with any of the positions or profiles. Sample number 3 has the same diameter out of tolerance, but has positions out of tolerance and a lot of profile locations out of tolerance. So other than the oversized diameters, sample 1 and sample 2 show intolerance positions and profiles. Unfortunately, sample 3 is a fail. Again, this report is set to GSF, or Gauge Simulation Fit. CheckMateRT calculates and reports the bonus tolerancing earned from the features MMC and from the datum reference frames MMC, and it does it simultaneously as the GD&T ANSI standard requires. The other type of report that is generated is an Excel report with a roadmap of the part embedded at the top. In this case, we generated two Excel reports. This first report is showing the as measured part results. As we scroll down, you can clearly see that each part has some problems. Again, just like with the text reports, the beginning of each sample is marked with a yellow highlight. The second Excel report here is showing the results using the Gauge Simulation Fit, taking into account all of the GD&T, including the bonus tolerance earned from the datums. As you can see, sample 3 still has some problems. Going back to the operator screen, we can click on the yellow folder where we can see all of the archived reports from previous runs, including text and Excel reports.